Once bustling with people, the Herongate Testing Center in Ottawa has been quiet for the last 2 to 3 months. After 15 months of providing tests, the center is closing Friday. It's the first testing center to shut down in Ottawa. With fewer cases, there is less need for testing centers.
A lot of people approach it with mixed emotions, and some people are unfortunately saddened or frustrated to see that we're closing, especially the local population around here. But I think at the end of the day, this is the light at the end of the tunnel.
All testing centers are looking at reducing hours and staffing and eventually closing. Bittersweet for some.
We're going to miss our colleagues, we're going to miss, the clinic and everything, but it's definitely good news. It means that COVID might finally be ending soon.
As cases go down, vaccines are up. All adults in Ontario can now accelerate their second dose appointment.
I'm mostly here today to say thank you.
In Toronto, Mayor John Tory visited an immunization clinic to thank staff for working Canada Day and the coming weekend. He encouraged people to get vaccinated as soon as possible.
This is the most powerful tool that we are going to have to put this COVID-19 pandemic behind us. People want to see things reopened faster. So do I. No, I don't think there's a single soul who doesn't. We want the indoor dining. We want the gyms open. We want the children's sports and other things to get back to normal.
In Ontario, nearly 78% of adults have received at least one dose, and more than 39% are fully vaccinated. Those numbers meet targets set for Step 3 of reopening, but provincial officials want to wait a full 21 days from the start of Stage 2 before rolling back restrictions further. Toronto has reached a new milestone with more than 45% of adults fully vaccinated. Close to 80% have a first dose. The city says reaching that point by Canada Day was a goal set by the provincial science table for Delta variant hotspots. In Ottawa, more than 1 million doses have been given to residents. Nearly 70% of people in Ottawa have at least one dose, and almost 30% of people in Ottawa are fully vaccinated. Ottawa Public Health also has a new interactive map of vaccination sites. Public health officials are still telling people to follow health guidelines, especially with the more transmissible Delta variant. People with only one dose are less protected against that variant, which has contributed to spikes in cases in some areas. Krystalle, Ramlakhan, CBC News, Ottawa.